So how do I wash my electronic cell when my little shower head is flashing? This little flashing light here. Can you come in nice and close? See the little shower head? When that's flashing, it's time to wash your electronic cell. How do you do it? This is held on by magnets. Just pop it off. Remove the pre-filter and vacuum this off, or you can wash it and dry it off. Remove the electronic cell, spray degreaser on, and rinse it off, and set it to dry. Take your vacuum cleaner and vacuum off the front of your carbon filter. Once your electronic cell is dried off, you replace it. Make sure you snug it right back in so that it's a tight fit, so all of the electrical contacts are connected. Place your pre-filter back in. Put the door back on the pedestals. Close the machine. Turn on the power. Here's how you reset the machine. Press the speed button. 1, 2, 3 until the light flashes. Now you can see the little fan icon is on, and that's going to pull air through the machine to make sure that the cell is nice and dry before it comes back on full power.